lighter burning, never midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. His pain is full of trying to forget. We watching him drink his pain away, little at the time, but never could get drowned out. Together her was mine until tonight. He put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger, and finally drink away her memory. Life is hard, but this time it was bigger than the string I had to get out of his knee. We found him with his face down in the pillow, with a note aside, I love her till I die. And where we burned him beneath the willow, the angels sing a whiskey lullaby. La 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 la. La 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 la. Rumors flew, but nobody knew how much she blamed herself for years and years. She tried to have the whiskey on her brain. She finally drank her pain away, little at a time, but she never could get drunk enough to get him off her mind till tonight. She put that bottle to her head and pulled the trigger, and finally drink away his memory. Life is hard, but this time it was bigger than the string you had to get on